Today's adventure brings us to Cali-N-Tito'S in Athens, Georgia. Let me show you around. We're at Cali-N-Tito'S in Athens, Georgia. To enter, you have to enter through these big double doors. Let's go inside. This is Cali-N-Tito'S in Athens, Georgia. See, they have a stage area for live bands. They have a big screen TV. This is the line to order. I already know what I'm going to get. I'm going to get a pork burrito. You can see there's a fountain in the middle of this beautiful building here. And this is a really fun place to eat. I used to eat here all the time when I lived up this way. They have unique decor here. You can even get you a t-shirt. Okay, I guess we have to wait to order. Hello. Now, I love this Georgia Bulldog football helmet. I think it's a, if I'm not mistaken, it looks like a radio inside the football helmet. Or it could be an actual, I think it may be an actual helmet, but it looks more like a radio inside. See that speaker? Go Dogs. Let's see, I believe I'm gonna get a pork burrito. This is what's on the menu here at Cali-N-Tito'S. They have a lunch menu also. And if you turn this over, this is the other side of the menu. It's really interesting. This is neat. There's the entrance right over there where we just walked in. Right over there. They have all sorts of ingredients under there. I love the unique decor also. Just getting my chips. Just waiting on my chips. There's their drink cooler, Burrito. I'm taking my chips to the table. This is queso on the top, and this is hot sauce on the bottom. And it's very delicious. These are some of the games that are featured here at Cali-N-Tito'S in Athens, Georgia. I love these nights here. Kind of my favorite right there. You can ride the horse. You can ride the merry-go-round. Decked out in blue lighting. You can ride this little guy who's a dinosaur. You can ride the Tom and Jerry bicycle, motorbike. You can play soccer, or as they say, football. And up here they have it decorated where it looks like there's a porch coming out, and that's actually a decoration. How about an ice cream cone? These are all the ice creams they have to offer. I'm kind of interested in that pink one down there. But I don't believe I'll have time today to get me an ice cream cone. I might come back though and get me one. What kind of ice cream do you have here?
Well, this is the non-dairy ones, and these, the rest are dairy.
Oh. Interesting. I may have to come get me one after I eat. Thank you. He's cool. You can play kick the football here. Up these steps right here will take you to the room where they have the banquets or the parties. And it's interesting. I love the floor design in here. That's where they have the banquets up there in that little room up there. They've got tables and chairs and a long table. I think you can reserve the room or something like that. And there's their little pina colada station. Over this way is the stage. If you can see, there's Decor, and this is another section of the eating area. And the bar is back that way. This is where you get water for your cups filled. Right there. And over this way is the fountain. They got another screen up there to watch. I believe they said this design on this floor was a phoenix, a giant either eagle or a giant phoenix. It looks like it because there's the claws. It's very, very interesting. And then here's the view from that direction, which it's neat. This cheese dip and this hot sauce dip has a fiery aftertaste. See the jalapenos inside. When you take a bite, it's like fiery hot in your throat, but it's very, very good. Okay, explain to me what you have here.
This is tilapia on a green salad with some red cabbage, tomatoes, and avocado, spinach, and oil, probably an oil and vinegar type sauce that's really delicious.
Yum, that looks good. And I have a pork burrito with cabbage on top. And what is this sauce called, ma'am?
Green sauce.
Green sauce. Okay, it's very good.
Yes.
With green sauce. I call it cilantro sauce, but there's another word for it. And a fork. And if you look closely, there's all the good stuff inside here at Cali-N-Tito'S in Athens, Georgia. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.